Welcome back, guys. Wanted to talk to you about an error that I realized that I had on my Nest thermostat. So a few days ago I was looking at the thermostat on my phone and noticed that it wasn't connecting to the app. So I looked at the device and saw that it had the Nest W5 error code going on. So I just want to show you, if you think that you're dealing with this issue, when you go into your Nest thermostat, click on settings and you'll see that it says it right there, nest.com W5. This is a Wi-Fi error, and it's something that's fairly common with the Nest thermostats, at least common enough for tech support to know what you're dealing with. There is no fix for this. The only thing they're going to be able to do is send you a new unit, which they did for me, and it wasn't a big issue. They're going to send you through a few steps that have you resetting your Wi-Fi, resetting the device, but as you can see here, even after you do all of those, the device is still not going to find your Wi-Fi network. It'll give you an option to type it in manually, type in the SSID manually, but that won't work either way. So my advice to you is go ahead and get Nest customer support online. I had my device shipped to me within a few days. It still works without the Wi-Fi connection. You just have to manually go to the unit and adjust your settings. So hopefully this helps. Call Nest support. They should send you a new one, and it should be no problem.